To properly measure for your curved sofa cover, we're looking for a few different dimensions here as called out on our form. So first start out with A. What you're going to do is you're going to take a tape measure, have someone hold it on one end, and then you're going to walk it all the way to the other end, wrapping it around the top edge of the sofa. So that's going to give you your A dimension. Your B dimension is going to go from this point to this point, and you're going to walk it straight across, and that's going to be your B. For your C, just take the middle and then walk it to the imaginary line from the B dimension. So to do this, you might lay a piece of string or something straight across from one side to the other, and that's going to be your C. For your D, you're doing the same procedure as A, so have someone hold the tape measure, walk it around the perimeter to the other side, and that is going to be your D dimension. And where's our A, B, C, D, E? Yep, so the next dimension we need is the width of the base. So that'll be your E. Now F is actually, could be a couple things. Some of these sofas have an arm, that come up, like this is shown here. It's a very small arm. And maybe it doesn't have an arm at all, it's just a cushion, so it's armless. So if they have just a cushion, this wouldn't be here, and it would look something like this. So your F actually would be to the top of the cushion. So whether it has an arm or it doesn't have an arm really doesn't matter as far as the function. What we're looking for is the maximum height in the front of your sofa, whether that be the arm or that be the cushion. So that's your F. Your G, same thing. We're really looking for the maximum height. So maybe the cushion's not even here, and it's just, it's kind of hidden below the arm. So your G is the same as the F. We're just looking for the maximum dimension in the back. And you may or may not have cushions that protrude out. If you don't, you could put 0 for H. If you do, just give us a rough estimate of how far the cushions stick out from the back to the front. And this is a pretty generic shape, so this works for all styles of curves. Your curved sofa might not look exactly like this, but the dimensions that we're asking for are universal for all different styles. And you also have the ability to use our custom RFQ form to send us a picture of your sofa, and we can mark it up with letters like I did here, send it back to you, and then send you a custom quote.